Okay, this is a new chapter of sphere. First of all, we have to memorize the formation of the sphere. Whole or curved surface area both are the same of the sphere. Both are the 4 pi r square. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But curved surface area and whole surface area both are not same of the hemisphere. Sphere means this one and hemisphere means this one, half sphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, whole surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and the volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, first sum, length of the radius of a sphere is 10.5 centimeter. Find the whole surface area of the sphere. Length of radius is 10.5 centimeter. Therefore, whole surface area equal to 4 pi r square equal to 4 into 22 by 7, 10.5 into 10.5. Now 4 into 22 by 7, 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. 21 2 21 2 2 22 into 'This is sum number 3. If the length of diameter of the ball used for playing shot put in our school is 7 centimeter, let us write by calculating how many cubic centimeter of iron this is there in the ball. First of all, the question is write by calculating how many cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter, so always the volume of the sphere, the unit of the volume of the sphere is cubic centimeter. Therefore, we have to find the volume. Now, here diameter is given. Diameter equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius equal to 7 by 2 to 3.5 centimeter. Now, volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Putting the values, we get 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 or 35 by 10. Now, cutting this by 5, this is 7, this is 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, this 7, 2, 2. So 11 into 7 into 7 by 3 equal to 539 by 3 equal to 179 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This is sum number 4 of the sphere. Length of diameter of a solid sphere is 28 centimeter and it is completely immersed into the water. Let us calculate the volume of the water displaced by the sphere. First of all, if anyone throw a sphere into a pond, into anything else, into liquid something, so therefore the place which or the water which displaced by the sphere is the volume of the sphere. So here we have to find the volume of the sphere. Now diameter is 28 centimeter. Therefore radius is 14 centimeter. Therefore volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube centimeter cube. Putting those values, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r means 14, so 14 into 14 into 14. Now 7 into 14, 2. If we multiplied 4 into 22 into 2 into 14 into 4, therefore we can get 34496 by 3 centimeter cube. If we put it into the mixed fraction, therefore we can get 11498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So this is the answer. This is sum number 6. 127 2 by 7 square centimeter of sheet is required to make a hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical means this one. Let us write by calculating the length of diameter of the forepart of the bowl. Now the bowl means this one, so therefore this one is the bowl. So therefore a sheet which is required to make the whole, not the total surface area, only the curved surface area, because the open of the bowl, because this one open part of the bowl, here is no part of any sheet. So therefore we have to find the curved surface area in this sum. So first of all, curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Therefore according to the problem, 2 pi r square equal to 127 2 by 7. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 127 into 7 plus 2, it is 891. So therefore 891 by 7, eliminate this by 7, r square equal to 891 by 2 into 22, eliminating by 11, this is 81 and this is 2. So therefore r square equal to 9 by 2 whole square. Therefore r equal to 9 by 2. So therefore diameter equal to 2r equal to 9 by 2 into 2 equal to 9 centimeters. This is sum number 8. The length of diameter of solid sphere of lead is 14 centimeter. If the sphere is melted, let us write by calculating how many spheres with length 3.5 centimeter radius can be made. Now there is a greater sphere and there is a smaller sphere. Now the greater sphere melted, and after that from the melting part small spheres are be made. So therefore we have to find the small number of spheres. Now first of all we have to assume how many number of small spheres. Let the number of small sphere is x. Length of radius of greater sphere equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter, and radius of smaller sphere 3.5 centimeter. So therefore, according to the problem, 4 by 3 pi 7 cube volume of the greater sphere equal to x into volume of the smaller sphere. Now 3.5 into 2, 3.5 into 2 is 7. So therefore, this is 2, this is also 2, this is also 2. So therefore, number of small sphere is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8.